Well, good morning. It's about 6 a.m. here in Phoenix. It's going to be a beautiful day. Now, here's a question that I get asked a lot. Is a groin kick a good move for self-defense? Absolutely. Any kind of kick to the groin is going to be noticed. The most important thing you can do if someone reaches out to do you harm is to move. Move fast and don't stop moving until you are home and safe behind locked doors. So, go ahead. Bring that foot up. You know it's got to be good when you aren't allowed to do it in sports like UFC. Any 8-year-old can do it. That's instinct. Let it out. Kick twice. The groin kick is a disruptor. You got to kick, then you got to run. Get safe. Don't be surprised if they get up off their knees and come after you. If you do want to make sure that they cannot come after you, come check us out, Elevation650.com. Get home safe.